How to use Google Meet. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access and use Google Meet in order to join new meetings. So in order to start, the first thing that you're gonna do is open any web browser of your choice. So I have here opened Google Chrome, and now if you have also opened Google Chrome, you can simply click onto this button, that is Google Apps, just over the left hand side of your profile picture. Once you'll do this, you will see this Meet option. So simply click on this Meet button and it will open the Google Meet option. You can simply disable or dismiss these pop-ups, and then from here you can either create a new meeting or join a meeting. Now if you are on any other web browser, then you can simply search for Google Meet and then hit the enter button, and you will see the hyperlink, that is meet.google.com. Simply click on this link and it will make you enter the same web page. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.